next step on this page, you can see one like, he supposedly after the Kalinga War, he came up with these two resolutions that he would give up war altogether, which inevitably results in the destruction of Mauryan Empire. So the theory of non-violence is inherently faulty. Okay, you can see how Jains, okay, I have nothing against Jains, they are very calm people, very nice people, okay, they have their own philosophies, all of that aside, but you can see now what is going on in the society these days. Jain temples and derasars, they are a very soft target for radicals. Okay, there are many examples of Jain priests being murdered. There are many examples. Very recently in Palitana, there is a town of Palitana in Gujarat which has Jain temples, and many temples were destroyed. Okay, we'll not get into who exactly destroyed them, but so this entire idea of giving up violence as an instrument to assert your dominance, okay, will inevitably lead to the fall of your civilization. That is how the Mauryan Empire ended. Okay. So here on this page, RC Majumdar writes, yes, based on the liberal history, there can be no doubt that the destruction that was caused after the Kalinga War was the motivation behind Ashok converting to Buddhism. Okay, but there is still some doubts regarding this as to. So if indeed Ashok converted to Buddhism, how exactly did he manage after that? Was he completely a monk? He renounced and relinquished his throne and lived as a monk in the forests, or he did both of them simultaneously? Okay, and the second option that I said, that doing both of them simultaneously, it's a very difficult option. Okay, so there is no considerable agreement between how exactly did he manage. There is no data, there are no evidences as to how exactly did he manage.